Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Sagittarius. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys, Sagittarius. So let's start with these cards. We have 9 of cups in reverse, Fool in reverse, and Wheel of Fortune. So Sagittarius, in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone who who is a really a cheerful person, confident, happy person, easy go mentality you may have. But today, in your circumstances, guys, you are worried about something. Something is weighing your heart. You don't know what to decide or what to do. So some kind of stress. You are thinking about something again and again, repeated thoughts, and it is giving you a lot of stress, and you feel stuck, confused, unable to decide on certain things. Maybe you are thinking about this person you love, or maybe about something in your work situation. So some lack of clarity is the reason for your stress, guys, or for this relationship. You are thinking about this person, thinking whether they are honest, whether you can trust them, whether they are reliable. But I also see that this person is a very honest person, and you will learn the truth about this person, the reason for your doubts or confusion, and what is the truth behind those behind those circumstances. So some kind of clarity you are seeing today in your circumstances, guys, and maybe you have realized what went wrong. Maybe it was mistakes on your part or mistakes of this person that would have been the reason for this doubt or confusion. Some lack of clarity in your circumstances, guys, Sagittarius. But Sagittarius, I also see that you have very good luck working in your favor, guys. So maybe it is luck, or maybe it may be your destiny, but whatever it is working in a very positive way for you, guys, Sagittarius. So maybe today it looks like some difficulty in your circumstances, but these are nothing. Something very good is coming your way, and you need not worry, guys, about these circumstances you are seeing today. So some kind of good luck is favoring you, Sagittarius, maybe in this relationship or maybe in your career circumstances, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have 7 of Wands. So with this card, though you are making a lot of efforts, though you may see some struggles in this relationship, you are in a very good place in this connection, guys, and things are just going to go in a very positive way for you, and you will see positive changes in your relationship very soon, guys. So you are going to be really lucky in love, and though you may have some misunderstanding, These misunderstandings are not going to affect the way things are between you both, guys. You are going to be really happy, and you are going to build that strong, meaningful connection in this relationship, guys. Sagittarius. So, for your career situation, Sagittarius, we picked one card, and it is Five of Swords in reverse. So maybe in your career situation, you are making a lot of efforts, trying really hard, doing your best, but with these cards, guys, Sagittarius, I see that destiny is working. Maybe some things may go right, some things may go wrong, but it is all in the hands of destiny, the way things are going today in your circumstances, guys. Sagittarius. So that is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is your first card. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, Snow White and Rose Red, Sister Love. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe you have a very loving and caring family and people who trust you, people who are truly concerned about you, and you need to appreciate the things in your life, guys. Maybe this family, the people you have, and the blessings you have. When you appreciate the blessings you have already, and when you are happy for whatever is there with you, you are going to, have that peace, happiness and contentment in your heart, and that happiness is going to radiate in all the facets of your life. So when you are feeling really blessed for this friendship you have with the people you love, maybe your parents, sibling or friends, or it may be even people in your work, the friendship you have, and when you find that happiness with them, when you try to find the blessing in any situation, just like finding the gem in the dirt and a star in the dark night. So whatever good quality these people have, or whatever goodness you feel from them, when you appreciate that, you are going to be more stronger, you are going to feel more strengthened. And maybe each and every one of us, we have the darker aspects of human nature and the brighter aspects. We have the negative things like anger and resentment inside us, but we should not reject that, guys. We must just accept it with honesty. When we do that, we are going to see so much happiness and abundance flowing in our situation, and we are going to strengthen the bond we have with the people we love. And the way we are cheerful, the way we are happy with the things we have today, maybe appreciate the blessings that we have. Many more blessings are or will flow towards us, guys, when we are happy for what we have today. And when we are doing good, we are only getting goodness back to us. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So for those who chose the second card, this card, let's see what it is. And it is bronzite. So it is a crystal spirit card, guys. So maybe in your circumstances, maybe in this relationship, you were betrayed in the past and it was too much for you to handle, a lot of pain, a lot of sadness. But this crystal spirit reminds you that you can be much more wiser, you can be much more stronger today by extending trust once again, maybe in this relationship. But it may be quite challenging based on your past experience. You feel that you cannot trust anyone. But this crystal spirit cards tell you that you need to be really mindful of the signs. Maybe sometimes you may see sign for you to move back in a relationship, maybe take a step back and nurture yourself. When you see that, you must do that. But this card asks you to trust this person again, maybe give them another chance. It may be the past person or it may be this present person. So your past should not change the way you are seeing your present love, your present situation. So you need to be true to yourself, true, honest to yourself first. So what you truly feel in your heart of hearts, when you do that, you are going to be honest with that other person. And when you build that loving relationship with yourself, you will be able to build that loving and respectful relationship with another person. And remember, guys, you are always protected when you are divinely directed. So you must do the right thing you feel deep down in your heart. So whatever you feel is the honest choice or that honest decision, you must stand for that, guys. So your loyalty and steadfastness is what will be rewarded by the universe. So universe is here to guide you if you are really truthful. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you guys. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.